Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The Tata Super Ace Mint is a versatile and robust mini truck designed to meet the diverse needs of small and medium-sized enterprises. With its impressive payload capacity and efficient performance, it has become a preferred choice for businesses involved in goods transportation. Dimensions and payload capacity. The Super Ace Mint boasts a compact yet spacious design. It measures 4,340 mm in length, 1,565 mm in width, and 1,858 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,380 mm. This configuration provides a generous loading deck length of 2,630 mm, allowing for a payload capacity of up to 1,000 kilograms. The vehicle's ground clearance ensures it can navigate various terrains with ease. Transmission and suspension. Equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, the Super Ace Mint offers smooth gear transitions, enhancing driving comfort. The front suspension features parabolic leaf springs, while the rear is fitted with semi-elliptical leaf springs. This suspension setup ensures stability and comfort, even when the vehicle is fully loaded. Braking system. Safety is paramount in the Super Ace Mint's design. The vehicle is equipped with disc brakes at the front and drum brakes at the rear, providing reliable stopping power. This combination ensures effective braking performance under various driving conditions. Interior features. The cabin of the Super Ace Mint is designed with driver comfort in mind. It includes features such as power steering, adjustable driver seats, and a well-organized dashboard with easy-to-reach controls. These elements contribute to a comfortable driving experience, especially during long hauls. Exterior design. The exterior of the Super Ace Mint is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Its aerodynamic design reduces air resistance, contributing to better fuel efficiency. The sturdy build ensures durability, making it suitable for rigorous daily use. Fuel efficiency. The Super Ace Mint is designed to be fuel efficient, making it a cost-effective choice for businesses. Its efficient fuel consumption helps in reducing operational costs, which is crucial for businesses aiming to maximize profitability. Price. As of the latest available data, the Tata Super Ace Mint is priced at approximately a superscript 15,09,000 in India. Please note that prices may vary based on location and any additional features or accessories. Conclusion. The Tata Super Ace Mint stands out as a reliable and efficient mini truck, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and durability. Its thoughtful design and practical features make it an excellent choice for businesses seeking a dependable vehicle for their transportation needs.